How to install Netflix on TV. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can basically install Netflix on your TV, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to open Netflix on your TV, first of all it really depends upon which TV you're using, because if you have a smart TV, chances are that Netflix may have come pre-installed because there is no way you can download it from elsewhere. But if your TV came with a Google software or an Android TV or something like that, you can always simply go to your Play Store. So right here you can see search for apps and games. Over here you simply need to go ahead and then actually type in Netflix over here, as you'd be able to see. So let me also just go ahead and then type in Netflix, and as soon as you go ahead and then type in Netflix, the thing is that the Netflix app is going to show up in the suggestions tab, and from there you can simply go ahead and then basically search for Netflix. This way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically find Netflix and then download it. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.